Hello, I'm Yoon Seo from Bongong University DTM Lab. Today, I will be presenting a paper review on the topic The Evolution of Patent Mining. First, here is the bibliographic information of the paper. This study was published in 2016 in the journal World Patent Information. The aim of this research is to systematically analyze the development of patent analysis and patent mining by conducting bibliometric analysis and keyword network analysis. The presentation follows the same structure as the paper. Patent databases are a key source of information for innovators, engineers, and policymakers. To support decision-making, patent data must be timely, accurate, and easy to understand. In technology management, text mining is used to extract useful information from technical documents. When applied to technical documents, this is called tech mining, and when focused on patents, it's called patent mining. Despite the rapid growth of patent mining, its evolution and the methodologies expanding the field are still not clearly defined. To extract relevant papers from Web of Science, it's important to use keywords that reflect the concept of tech mining. Based on Butter's definition, the concept of patent mining is structured along two dimensions: purpose and application. This study used Keyword Planner to identify keywords representing patent mining. To validate the keyword list, two aspects were examined: relevance and applicability. Based on this, a search query was designed. The paper consists of three main parts, each requiring a different analysis. First, metadata is analyzed using bibliometric analysis. Second, the main text is analyzed through keyword analysis. Third, references are examined using citation analysis. Bibliometric analysis is used to identify key authors, journals, institutions, and countries. To find the most influential papers, eigenvector centrality is used. This measures centrality based on the importance of connected nodes. Keywords are key to understanding the evolution of patent mining. This study builds a network based on keywords from abstracts and performs cluster analysis. To understand cluster trends, it is important to review the abstracts of papers in each cluster. To identify key aspects of each cluster, the analysis considers methodology, application, and domain. To identify key players in patent mining, bibliometric analysis was conducted on authors, institutions, countries, and papers. Among the top 10 authors in Figure 1, 5 are from POSTECH. These Korean researchers mainly focus on patent analysis and have developed tools based on SAO structures. The most prominent researcher in patent mining is Porter. He published a book on tech mining and proposed a 5-step framework to support decision-making in technology management. The most active country and university in patent mining research are South Korea and POSTECH. Based on eigenvector centrality, the top 10 most influential papers are listed in Table 1. Patent citation analysis is the most common method and is used for policy making, technology forecasting, and more. Overload and semantic analysis are emerging methods for technology forecasting and opportunity identification. The extracted keywords were mapped into a network shown in Figure 4. Figure 3 presents a timeline view showing the most frequently used keywords over time. The timeline analysis suggests growing interest in using text mining tools for deeper patent analysis. Since keywords reflect research goals, cluster analysis helps trace the evolution of patent mining. A total of 14 clusters were identified. To understand this evolution, related papers were collected and their abstracts were evaluated based on three criteria: application in technology management, methodology, and domain of usage. Showed the development of patent analysis methods. Methodologies were visualized based on the average publication year of each cluster. Figure 8 shows that the evolution of patent analysis can be divided into three main stages. Researchers analyzed patent metadata and citation information to identify patterns and gaps in technology. Various types of patent data were studied through bibliometric and citation analysis. To enable more detailed analysis, researchers applied cluster and network analysis. To see how cluster analysis was used in the second stage, key pairs were extracted from clusters 7, 9, and 12. Most studies performed content-based clustering using keywords extracted from patents. Many also combined cluster analysis with network analysis. To understand the use of network analysis, key pairs were extracted from clusters 6, 8, 10, and 5. Results show that network analysis helped uncover relationships between patents and provided deeper content insights. In most cases, citation data was used, commonly referred to as patent citation network analysis. Review of the third stage shows that patent mining had already emerged. It contributed to uncovering hidden knowledge in patent using text mining, semantic analysis, and ontology-based methods. More details will be covered on the next slide. Researchers realized that analyzing only citation or bibliographic data was not enough. With advances in text mining, they began developing content-based approaches to extract information from patent text, known as patent mining. Analysis of clusters 2, 3, and 11 shows how patent mining has evolved in recent years. These approaches are based on information retrieval and pattern recognition. The literature on extracting text content accurately and efficiently is divided into two streams: lexical and corpus approaches. The lexical approach uses NLP to classify words based on grammatical features. It helps identify semantic patterns and extract meaningful keywords effectively. The corpus approach builds a concept set defined by experts to describe text content. It can be applied to both structured and unstructured data. Using natural language processing, researchers applied two main strategies for pattern recognition: semantic analysis and ontology-based analysis. Semantic analysis focused on identifying meaning-based patterns. It extracts text patterns using structures like SAO or property function models. Ontology-based analysis models patent concepts based on attributes, relationships, constraints, and actions. After extracting keywords and forming keyword vectors, the vector elements are processed to generate insights. This is typically done using network and cluster analysis. There are four main steps to process keyword vectors so not all steps are always required. Network analysis creates groups of nodes with shared attributes and examines their structure and relationships. In patent mining, networks can be patent-based, keyword-based, or concept-based. Nodes represent patent, keyword, or concept, and rings are based on similarity. Cluster analysis groups similar patent, keyword, or concept to identify distinct clusters. Recently, researchers have applied various clustering methods for different purposes in patent mining. As text mining has advanced, patent mining has gained attention among technology management researchers. This study analyzed its evolution using bibliometric analysis, keyword network analysis, and cluster analysis. It offers a comprehensive literature review on the development of patent analysis and patent mining. A key contribution is the first application of keyword-based network analysis in patent mining.